in this video I will show you how to add someone on Telegram via username. Firstly, you need to make sure that you have opened your Telegram application. Then, if you want to take over and add someone on Telegram via username, you need to tap on your right upper side on that settings bar, and right here you need just to get that username on it, and it will shows up that user. Now, if you go, for example, for this type of site, as you can see, it doesn't show me nothing because I cannot take over the right username in which I'm going through it. But if you know that username on some friend, for example, you need to type it right here, and then you're gonna find out the friend also with his real or her real name on it, and you're gonna be available to add it as a friend or simply call it or add it to a group chat or whatever you want.